Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin Solana. With a market cap of $48.51 billion, Solana currently trades around $84.56. It's down 21% over the last 1 year. But big news reaching us is that Solana's foundation looks to beef up DeFi security as attack continues. The Solana Foundation and Web3 security firm Asymmetric Research unveiled a new security initiative called Stride, along with real-time incident response network. Look at Solana's price against the US dollar. Is this a good support level? Can Solana get a relief rally out of this region? We saw Solana having to get to as high as $297. That was way back in January of 2025. Since then, many things has happened. Are we going to get that pump to new all-time highs? Solana dumping to gobbling town. We look at Solana's valuation against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. How will Solana flare over the next few weeks as we see extreme fear still gripping the cryptocurrency market? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Solana currently trades around $84.5. The big one is that Solana's fully diluted market cap sits at $52.7 billion. Solana's all-time high came in on the 19th of January 2025. When Donald Trump launched his meme coin on the Solana network, Solana got to as high as $294. Right now, it's down 71% from its all-time highs. Don't forget, guys, Solana is a highly functional open source project that banks on blockchain technology permissionless nature to provide decentralized finance solution. And we've seen Solana over the years have big pumps to the upside. It has been one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. That's had crazy pumps in the past. In the previous video, we talked about how Solana was one of the biggest pumps of 2021. We saw Solana going from a measly $0.5. The FTX days, Sam Bankman Fried FTX days, where he was telling people to buy Solana below $1. We saw Solana rallying up to as high as $260 by the end of his first bull market, pumping by more than 47,000%. For context sake, guys, $1,000 invested in Solana should have returned over $473,000. So when the bear market came, it was not surprising to see that Solana was one of the biggest losers. So Solana dumping by 96%. I always say this on this channel, the altcoin market is one of the most volatile markets in the world. The altcoin market is where you see a coin going up for 7,000%, and the next 600 days is down another 96%. Volatility here is the future. It's not a bug. If you want to get those big gains to the upside, if you want to enjoy those 1,000% pumps to the upside, those 100x pumps, you have to be able to stomach 96% dumps to gobbling town. And since 2022, Solana has tried its best. It has outperformed a lot of altcoins. We've seen it first go to the previous all-time highs. We've even seen it set new all-time highs. But one recurring thing that we have noticed over the last 2 years or the last 3 years has been Solana has been stuck around that $200, $240 range. And if you draw a long line right here, you see that that's where we got hit in 2021. So now got rejected there. We dumped to gobbling town, stay rallying to higher prices. We got there again in November of 2024, got rejected there. Tried our best in January of 2025, got rejected there. And we tried one more time in September of 2025, where we saw Solana go from as low as $94 back to as high as $260. We got rejected there again. And since September of 2025, it's been a trip down to gobbling town for Solana and a lot of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, Solana is still down around 65% from that all-time highs, with sentiment right now at the extreme, with pessimism at an all-time highs, with market participants believing we're not going to see an altcoin season anytime soon. We're going to continue dumping to gobbling town. We're going to see lower prices. And just the general consensus in the cryptocurrency market, market participants are expecting lower prices. But that's what you expect. Bearish news at the bottom, bullish news at the top. And I'll not be shocked, guys, if the next few days and the next few weeks, we start seeing bullish news coming around. We start hearing talks of why Solana quickly pump to higher prices. Because the one key resistance level we need to blast if we are to see any improvement in the price of Solana over the next few weeks is going to be the $144 level. If we get a relief rally, that's where the relief rally might probably come to an end from where we're currently trading right now. That will see Solana pumping up by 68%. And if we get a full-blown pump, we have to watch out for what will happen around the $250 level. And there's that scenario, guys. where we'll see a full-blown pump. Solana will rally past $250, maybe even get to as high as $300. We start shouting kumbaya. The general vibes is we're back, we're going to the moon, and then Solana starts dumping to Goblin Town. I believe at some point in time in the nearest future, the market will give us an opportunity to buy Solana probably at $20, maybe lower than that. But before then, I believe a real rally is around the corner. News reaching us, Solana Foundation is looking up to beef up DeFi security as attack continues. Hacks in the cryptocurrency market have been increasing. We just saw Drift Protocol hacked for more than $280 million over the last few days. Solana Foundation on Monday announced a new security auditing framework for Solana-based protocol, in addition to an incident response network warning that adversaries are rapidly innovating. Solana Foundation, a Swiss organization that supports the adoption and security of Solana and Web3 security frame Asymmetric Research, revealed the Solana Trust, resilient and infrastructure for DeFi enterprise that tried, stating that it was a structural program for evaluating and monitoring escalating security across Solana projects. This announcement comes after a week of one of the largest DeFi exploits this year, with Drift Protocol losing $280 million following a social engineering attack from North Korea-linked actors. Hopefully, this will help security on Solana. Malicious actors stole over $168 million in cryptocurrencies from 34 protocols in the first quarter of 2021, according to DeFi Llama. And Q2 has started with a bang. They're already up $280 million. The largest exploit for the period was driven by private key compromise of Step Finance. Hopefully, this will help the price of Solana, and I'm happy the good news is coming out right now. That will help the price of Solana. The $144 level still very, very important. If you look at Solana's performance against Ethereum, it's been dumping to Goblin Town since when it got to all-time highs in April of 2025. It's been a trip down to Goblin Town for Solana. We've seen it lose more than 57% of its value against Ethereum. Historically, when we're in bear markets, that's when Solana dumped aggressively against Ethereum. But right now, I can see Solana's valuation against Ethereum pretty near. A bullish divergence, price has gotten to new lows, RSI has not gotten to new lows, so don't be shocked to see Solana probably outperform Ethereum over the next few weeks and the next few months, where we'll see a big pump to the upside in the altcoin market. In that case, Solana might have a bigger pump than Ethereum. How is Solana doing against the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin? Against Bitcoin, a similar price action for Solana. We've seen Solana from where it was trading in September of 2025 dumped Goblin Town against Bitcoin, losing 45% of its value in the process. If we see a bounce in the altcoin market, catch a relief rally, don't be shocked to see Solana outperforming Bitcoin. When the market is bullish, Solana usually do better than Bitcoin, better than Ethereum. The inverse is also true. When the market gets bearish, you see Solana doing worse than both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Extreme fear right now is in the cryptocurrency market. Extreme fear was in the cryptocurrency market last week, but I believe as sentiments gradually improve in the cryptocurrency market, we will see the price of Solana rising to higher prices. So market participants believe we will see lower prices. They believe all coins are dead. I don't believe that. I believe when pessimism at the highest, that's when you make the most money. When pessimism is at the highest, that's when you want to buy for some sweet, sweet profit. Solana's market cap is at the $48 billion level, but the most important level to watch out for is going to be that $72 billion to $77 billion level. From where we're currently trading, for Solana to get there, we need to see more than a 61% pump to the upside. 61% pump to the upside is nothing to write home about in the altcoin market. That pump could happen in 24 hours. That pump could happen in 7 days. But I believe that will be a pivotal moment from Solana, rallying past that $77 billion level. If you look at Solana's price history over the last few years, we've had major reactions at the $77 billion level in 2021, and we spent majority of Solana's price action from March of 2024 to January of 2025, trading around that $75 billion region. So don't be shocked if that's the line in the sand that would the decisions to be made. If that's exactly where we'll know whether Solana is going to pump to new all-time highs or get rejected there and continue heading down back to Goblin Town. So guys, report us in the comment section. The altcoin market is showing some signs of life right now. Solana is up 2.7% over the last 1 month. How high do you think Solana will go if all coins start pumping? Do you believe a new all-time high is possible? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.